Many associate hearing clinics with earwax removal, but professional care involves much more. At Hearing First Milton Keynes, we offer comprehensive services. From expert hearing tests to advanced hearing aids, we are here to help you maintain clear hearing and overall ear health. A professional test identifies if changes are due to wax buildup or gradual loss. Our audiologists evaluate how you detect tones and speech. If you find yourself turning up the TV or struggling with noisy conversations, it's time to get your hearing checked by a professional. If hearing aids are recommended, we provide modern, discreet devices that amplify sound and improve clarity in any environment. We work closely with you to determine the best fit for your needs and provide ongoing support to ensure comfort and performance. Whether it's earwax removal or a full assessment, visit Hearing First Milton Keynes for professional care. Let's restore your hearing health today.